Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 7 chapter 18% and its applications exercise 18F question 12. And what does this say? It says rupees 7,000 left in a bank for 10 years at simple interest amounts to rupees 9,800. What would this amount to after another 5 years at the same rate? Now you see here that 7,000 rupees are left in a bank for 10 years, right? So our principal is rupees 7,000, and it says this 7,000 after 10 years it amounts to 9,800. That is our amount that we get, that is principal with the simple interest. That is what 9,800 after 10 years, right? So our amount becomes what? Rupees 9,800, and our this time, right? Time is also given here, that is what? 10 years. Now we have to find the rate. First of all, we need to find the rate in these types of questions. Forget about the rest of the questions, but it is mentioned here that it is asking us what will this amount to at the same rate. So we do not know the rate. That is what we'll find out first. See, for finding a rate we must know the simple interest as well. Now what do we do for finding the simple interest? Remember the formula, A minus P, amount minus principal, that is simple interest. So amount is 9,800 minus 7,000, okay, and that is rupees 2,800, right? This becomes your simple interest. Now for finding the rate, you can check the formula in the book, it's given, I'll tell you here. So it's rate equals to simple interest into 100. This will always be there upon the other two quantities, that is what? Principal and time. So multiply both of them, P into T. Now we know all the values, so substitute all of the values here, right? So what will this be? SI is 2,800 into 100 upon P into T. Principal is 7,000 into time. Time is 10 years, so into 10. Right, cut this 0, cut this 0, then I'll cut this 0, cut this 0, cut this one, this one, all zeros cut, right? So 7 also will be cut here, 1, and 28 will go 4 times by 7 only. Now 4 into 1, rest nothing is left, denominator has become 1, so 4 into 1 is 4%, right? This is our rate of interest. Now we have found out the rate of interest. Now we'll understand the question. See, it says what would this amount to after another 5 years. So time will be 5 years. This is very clear given, right? So let's just do the thing here. So time equals to what? 5 years, and rate we have found out 4%, right? Per annum, if you want to, you can mention it. Now you see that, now understand the question. What most of you will do is you will take 7,000 as your principal, but no, see, it says what would this amount, not this principal, this amount, or not this sum of money, but this amount is what? Principal and simple interest combined. So our amount was 9,800, and this is where most of you make the mistake. That is, you will take your principal as rupees 7,000, but that is not what the question says. It's clearly given what would this amount to. So amount is 9,800. So we will take the amount as our principal, not the principal as the principal. So amount is what? 9,800. So principal also becomes rupees 9,800, right? Don't make this mistake, otherwise you will get the whole question wrong. Now we'll find the simple interest on this, okay? So find the simple interest, and then we will add the simple interest in our principal, right? So PRT 9,800 into 5 into 4 upon 100, okay? So I'll cancel this 5, cancel this 120, cancel this 4, cancel this 21 and 5, then 5 and 98,000 will be cancelled. So 148,960, right? So basically right, 1 and 9, right? So rupees 1960, right? This is our what? Simple interest. That is, after 5 years the simple interest will be 1960. But it's still not over yet, because it's asking us amount too. So we have to find the amount, not just the simple interest. So the amount equals to what? The principal plus the simple interest, right? So we know principal is 9800, right? Plus simple interest is 1960. This we have calculated. Okay, so 9800 plus 1960 and add them up. So what do we get here? 0 0 6 9 8 7 1 11, right? So rupees 11,760 becomes our amount, and it's here option B. So take option B, right? Option B is the correct option. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.